Hello YouTube and welcome to this brainstorm special with a story that isn't new but definitely merits a video. In 2007, researchers at the University of Alberta demonstrated that a simple compound, dichloroacetate, has significant effects on cancer cells. This is because cancer cells actually repress the functioning of their mitochondria and metabolize their nutrients a different way. The original study showed that dichloroacetate, or DCA, reactivated mitochondria in cancer cells. This is significant for two reasons. One, because the cancer cells' altered metabolism seems to give them an advantage in growth, and two, because mitochondria also regulate a cell's self-destruct mechanism. By targeting the cancer's metabolism, the DCA seemed to be a very promising cancer treatment. In the years following the initial study, multiple labs confirmed their findings. Then, in May of 2010, the Alberta team conducted a very small clinical trial involving patients with a type of brain cancer. The treatment had little to no adverse side effects and resulted in either a halt or regression in tumor size. These results are very promising, but at this stage, the drug is still highly experimental and more testing needs to be done. Now, the reason you haven't heard of this, or have only heard of it recently, is because research into DCA's effect on cancer is critically underfunded. This is most likely because large drug companies cannot patent the compound, resulting in a severe lack of private investment. In fact, the 2010 study I just mentioned was mostly funded by charitable donations and the medical institutes themselves. Now, I realize this story is bittersweet, but for now, I think it's important to focus on the positive and the potential this treatment has.